Hook, hey there, cloud enthusiasts and tech-savvy individuals. Are you tired of waking up to a daunting avalanche of bills every month, especially as we navigate the ever-evolving world of cloud services? Stick around, because today we are diving deep into Azure cost management, understanding costs, analyzing usage, and mastering budget creation. Introduction. As a senior cloud architect, I've seen the cloud become an integral tool for businesses of all sizes. However, the true magic of the cloud is only realized when cost management is seamlessly woven into it. Today in Tech Lab, we are shedding light on the art and science of analyzing costs and creating budgets with Azure Cost Management. Key point 1. Analyzing cost using Azure Cost Management. First, let's talk about the analyzing cost part. Azure Cost Management gives you powerful insights into your billable usage on a granular level. Imagine having a bird's eye view of your expenses, categorizing costs by resource, department, or even by application. It's like having a magnifying glass on every byte spent. One practical example is using the Azure Advisor, a robust tool within cost management, to scan your resources and highlight not just the cost, but potentially any security, performance, or any compliance risks hitching a free ride with your dollars. Key point 02. Setting up budgets in Azure Cost Management. Now, setting up budgets. Here's a real scenario. You've got a limited monthly subscription, but you can't predict exactly when demand will peak. With Cost Management's built-in budgets feature, you can define spending limits across varying time periods, daily, weekly, monthly, and set alerts to notify you when those limits are about to be crossed. This way, you avoid overshooting your budget without neglecting your services, ensuring constant growth without financial surprises. Key point 3. Right-sizing and optimizing in Azure Cost Management. Here's a common quandary: is my VM